Get out of the rat race and make money online. Welcome to my video series on how to make money online as an affiliate. In this second part, we're going to talk about the types of products you can choose. My favorite type of product is right at the end, so make sure you keep watching, as this type is really awesome. Choosing a product. Once you've chosen your niche, just move that out of the way. Once you've chosen your niche, your next step is to narrow it down to a product that you'd be interested in promoting. Things to consider here are how much the commission is. There's what's called low ticket products, and there are high ticket products, and there are others that fall in the middle. Low ticket products start from $1 and go up to $47, around $47, and high ticket products start at around $197 and can go up to anything up to 20,000 plus in some cases. However, you'll probably find it hard to get accepted to these high ticket offers when you're new to affiliate marketing, but you should be able to find products up to around the 397 mark and get accepted as a newbie. So which should you choose? Well, for low ticket products, the logical thinking says that if the price is lower, you should be able to get more people to buy, and that it should be easier to convert as it's less of an outlay and more people can afford it. However, this often isn't true, and it's just as easy to convert a low ticket product as it is a high ticket product. Personally, I would put this down to the perceived value of the product. The lower price product has a lower perceived value simply because it's cheaper. So people just don't value it. They think it must be rubbish, which isn't the case half the time at all. So for these lower price products, you will need to sell more of them to hit your target returns. We'll cover this working out. We'll cover how to work this out. We'll cover how to work out this goal in a future video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. And it's a very important mindset step. For high ticket products, you'll need to sell less of them to hit your targets, but they are often harder to find and harder to get approval for promoting. Also, you'll find these products are often part of a funnel, which may or may not be able to you may or may not be able to promote without promoting the lower front end initial product. These products are often also where the creators get the bulk of their returns, so they may not offer you commissions on the high ticket part of the funnel. If you can get access and it's not part of the funnel, it could be a big jump to sell without a lot of information and education and value being given by yourself. So how they present their offer on the sales page becomes even more important. It is a one-time payment. Is it a one-time payment or recurring? For one-time payment products, it's fairly self-explanatory. You only get paid once for the sale. Whereas recurring payments will often give you ongoing commissions month after month for as long as the referral, the person you got to buy through your link, keeps their membership or subscription. These can be really powerful, and it is my favorite one. My favorite type of product for these can be really powerful for your income, as you can keep building up how many people you have referred, and each time you get another, you're basically giving yourself a pay rise for the next month, and you're only promoted to them once. So in the next video, we're going to talk about where to find good offers. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment as to which is your favorite, or what do you think will be your favorite type of product? Is it a low ticket, a high ticket, or is it going to be a one-time fee or a recurring product? Put your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.